Well, I stopped in at Andy's dog house. Well, I went to the swap meet and had a pretty good time. So I got these for cheap. I got them for 250 bucks. And they're 19-inch BMW X5 wheels, 245, 45, 19. That's the same size I have on the Firebird now, except for they're 18s on the Firebird. 18-inch M5, I think. These are X5. And the Toyo Proxies are not bad at all. And I got the wheel spacers. These are 1.5" hub centric, so they might be good for the 19s. I'm not sure. They might be good for the old school offset if I go back to the future.
I got the ram, I got the space seal that goes here, little bags go here. There's other Fargo and Jawbreaker, got still something on the side.
She's pretty nice just the way she is.
Love the rat roddy, so I'm not going to be putting all the on the chrome on it. I don't think. In the garage.
Are they like aluminum or stainless?
Steel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought it was a Dodge at first because it has
The suicide doors.
it's got the butterfly hood.
Oh yeah.
Same as my Fargo.
I think I mistaked it for a Dodge once previously. It's almost like the banjo.
That's what it's called. Yeah,
Is it?
steering wheel,
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
See, come around the other side. See the radio and the stuff.
The radio? That's the radio. Wow.
I got 6 volt. I got 2 of them as a matter of fact.
6 volt, yeah?
So I like this here because it actually says on the buttons here, B-U-I-C-K.
Oh, Buick. Oh, you need to separate the backing paper?
Yeah. Oh, here it comes.
That's my first die cut sticker, so I've never even separated one yet. You got the first one.
Right on.
But it looks like you could use it because you're doing a good thing with your sticker board there.
Yeah, well, you want to have the sticker board to remember all my friends. How about right here?
Whatever blows your hair back.
Yeah, right there.
Looks good to me.
I like that. Mr. John, 613.
Nice.
Survey code.
613.
Yeah. Yeah, when I first saw your name with 613, and then I kind of thought it might have been from the area.
Yeah, that's the area code.
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't get any colder than that. Well, I stopped in at Andy's dog house. He's got a sticker wall where he shares stickers. And he friggin' invited me in for dinner. Hospitality. It's awesome. Well, stopped in at Andy's dog house and had a good time. Had some pretty good hospitality. I actually showed up totally unannounced. But he told me, we sort of been talking back and forth a little bit, commenting and whatever. And he told me that he shared his address on his About page on his YouTube channel. So I went for a throttle therapy today for a cruise, and I decided to go that way, in that direction. So yeah, it was a good drive. The trees are starting to change colors, so I don't know how many classic car drives are left this year. So it's nice to get out on throttle therapy, but there's also possibly a cruise night in Renfrew, and he's from Renfrew. So I figured I'd go to Renfrew tonight, and that's where I am right now. And I have seen lots of motorcycles and cool cars out today. She's got some fat meats on the back. I think those are like 65 Mustang taillights. I don't know, they kind of look like it. Flathead V8. Yeah, rat rod. Sounds good. Got some 50/50 tickets and door prize. And there's all kinds of cool cars here in Renfrew. Jaguar. Two-door 88. Cougar. The Mercury Mustang. For sale. Andy won some prizes.
There it is.
Bonus.
Budget trays.
Prizes. There goes Andy. Pretty good turnout. My windshield's absolutely filthy, but pretty good turnout here at KingBurger. And it was a good drive. Nice scenic route. It's a nice drive. And I stopped in and we exchanged stickers where he's putting other YouTuber stickers on his wall. So that's cool. He said I'd be driving right into the sun, and he was right. The sun is pretty much blinding. I just seen a Camaro. I flashed my headlight at him, pop-up headlight. Camaros can't do that. Your Camaro can't do that. But anyway, yeah, went for a cruise, met Andy's doghouse, had some pretty good hospitality there at his place. He even invited me in for dinner, so that's amazing. There's good people out there. I'd like to think of myself as a good person, but anyway, Andy's a cool guy. I had some guy at the Tim Hortons yell at me, "Nice car!" Thank you, sir. This is the same town that we won a trophy with the 67 Patina truck, the 67 Chevy C10 step side from Texas Patina truck. We won a trophy here at the Renfrew car show.